Hi folks, it's December 29th, Saturday, sunny here in Long Island, New York. We had bad rain storm yesterday, but now it's nice and sunny. It's a little cold. Well, anyway, a couple things to make this video real quick. A lot of people know from past video reviews, I have the Dakota snowblade, and I had this about a couple of years. Well, anyway, it's total from being used. See, it's all rusty. From being used, I wind up losing one of the carriage bolts that holds the blade on. So I wind up taking the carriage bolt out, and I matched it up at a local Home Depot. So I'm gonna go with new carriage bolts, and I went with a little bit longer than the stock ones to get a little bit more bite on it. So we're gonna use new nuts, Loctite and lock washers just to help it out. And the other reason I bought this, excuse me, I'm doing this video is, last night at Home Depot I bought this. It was $25. It's a 100 position 3/8 Husky ratchet. It's got a decent size length, and I'm gonna hand the camera over to my nephew. He's gonna hold it, and I don't know if you can hear it, but I don't know if you can hear it. It's very engages. It's a 100 position. I don't know if you can hear it, but just like the slightest turn engages it. 3/8 socket. No, I'm sorry, 1/2 inch socket, 3/8 size. Put it on, and I don't know if you can hear it, but it just engages it, like just very so slightly. Well, anyway, we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna fix this. So we'll just see how it see how she goes. So, all right. First thing is, like I said, I'm going with a little bit longer bolt just to get a little bit more bite on it. And then I'm gonna put a lock washer in the back. I'm gonna use a little Loctite. Make sure, let's do a test fit first. Make sure everything lines up. Yay, okay. All right, everything works. All right, so actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in. And then put the lock washer on it. Sorry, a little cold there. Little Loctite, and I got it all over my gloves, but that's okay. Put that on. Still got to tighten that. We'll do the second one. Yes. Blue Loctite comes out. You could actually, it's removable. Usually the red Loctite is more harder to come off. It's more like a permanent thing. So we're just going to use blue today. So in just case it, you know, if I have to take it out, but with the lock washer and the lock washer and the lock nut is a double preventative, so it doesn't back out. So you know how hard these Long Island winters could be.
For 10 years.
And for you curious what I'm filming on a here GoPro Hero 5, and I love it. GoPro Hero 5. Okay. So let's wipe the using vinyl gloves. I'm actually out of the blue surgical gloves. I gotta get more. And my nephew's shaking his head, and I don't know why. But we'll make a good cameraman out of him yet.
I think she'll get fired.
Right. Always close up the Loctite. Okay. Righty tighty. So See how smooth this puppy is. I'm actually gonna yep. Alright, back. We just had to flip it off real quick because you kind of need two hands for this. But like I said, I got Loctite in there and a lock washer. But what I'm gonna do is tighten it up. And the carriage bolt has that square piece, so it acts like a second set of hands. As far as using the ratchet, it's very smooth. I'm not gonna complain. Okay, tighten it down. See if I have one more. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the third one too while I'm here. Might as well replace the third one. Yes, it's rusty. My nephew's making a comment that it's rusty. Yes, it is. So, let's put this over the bed so we don't lose the bolt. Let's back it up. Okay. So you have an extra long handle here for leverage. And I think it was already loose. Look at that. It was already loose. And that's from New York winters. Rush from New York winters.
Like 10 years.
Yes, I had this for a couple of years. So, take the new bolt. Put it in. Sorry about that. The lock washer. Lock washer. And I don't know why. Excuse me. When they made these, when they designed these, they didn't come with longer. They didn't come with longer bolts, like I said. I guess as owner maintenance, you're supposed to. Yeah. And she's laughing because I just lost a piece of the tissue. Well, anyway, I don't know why they didn't come with longer.
So descriptive language. I don't understand it. Oh.
Oh. Okay. There's a tissue in the back of my bed. A little windy here today, and a little cold, but I'll be done in a second.
You're not wearing a sweatshirt.
Yeah. And we're gonna wipe off the excess Loctite on my hands. Take the ratchet, put it in the tighten position, and we're gonna tighten it. See, with the long handle, you got very good leverage on it. Tightening it. Go back and tighten it. I'm not saying you're gonna break it. Then again, I don't want to muscle it either. Okay. All right. So the Dakota blade's got new bolts, lock washers, nuts, and Loctite. So that, we should get a couple of good years of service out of it. And the review on this is, it's all right. It's not bad. It's got like a, even though I'm wearing like vinyl gloves, it's got a nice silky smooth finish on it. It's got good grips. Like I said, this was $25 at Home Depot. The only thing is people were complaining online was, after a while, the finish does come off. They said it flakes off. And if, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, that's the way I got it. It was like a little bit nicked, but I don't care. Our tool is made to be used. and the other one, they had 2 left, and it was in no better condition. So it's nice and smooth, and $25. It's all right for 25 bucks. So we'll see how it lasts. Pops on and off. Socket locks on pretty good. The mechanism to go lefty loosey righty tighty is pretty smooth, so it's not bad. Reminds me of the old, you can see that, it reminds me of the teardrop, reminds me of a teardrop Craftsman ratchet I have downstairs. So I like it. It's a little pricey for 25 bucks, but see over time how she holds up. So thanks again for watching. This is Long Island Paintball. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.